My top 7 probate house repairs before listing property in California. That's our topic today. We'll get started right after this. Are you concerned about how quickly your probate house in California or house in a trust will sell, or if it will actually fetch the desired price? It's natural to have these thoughts when preparing to put your loved one's home on the market. The anticipation of the home inspector's report and the potential buyer's impressions, well, it can be overwhelming. But here's the good news. There are several ways to attract potential buyers to the probate house or the home in a trust without breaking the bank. In fact, there are low-cost house repairs and home improvement ideas that can work to captivate a potential buyer. Sure, a major house remodel project can significantly increase your loved one's property value and its allure to home buyers. However, it can also be a costly endeavor with no guarantee of a return on that investment. In many cases, our clients don't have a ton of money to invest in the home, and in most cases, it's absolutely not necessary when listing property to remodel to get a reasonable price for the estate. And thankfully, cost-effective home repairs and home improvements are readily available. Some of them can even be tackled on your own if you want, but most executors, administrators, and trustees choose to have vendors complete the repairs. And the really good news is that once a plan is put into place for the home repairs, we can help manage all of it. When the repairs are implemented correctly, the home repairs have the potential to expedite the sale of the property here in California and bring the estate a reasonable profit, in many cases, a quicker sale. Hi, I'm Kim Ward. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about all things probate, and especially in California, my team and I are certified probate real estate advisors, and we've been helping executors, administrators, and trustees here in San Diego for over 20 years. So let's get into our top 7 cost-effective house improvements that you can consider when selling your probate house or home in a trust. First, enhance the curb appeal. Make a great first impression with a tidy and inviting exterior. Remember, the buyers are standing in front of the door waiting for their agent to get the front key from the lockbox. They are usually looking all around, and a clean front door, lighting without spider webs, and a new front door mat can provide a welcoming feeling. It's always a good idea to have a gardener mow the lawn, remove all the weeds, and spread a bit of mulch around. Number 2 is fresh paint. Give the home a fresh coat of paint in areas that need it to brighten up the interiors or make them more appealing. Let's embrace the undeniable truth. Freshly painted rooms have an irresistible charm. An inviting and well-maintained exterior is equally captivating. And guess what? Achieving these desired results for your probate house in California doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, a paint job, or in many cases, a thorough cleaning, can work wonders. When it comes to painting, the key lies in choosing the right type of paint and selecting colors wisely. Recent analysis by Zillow, which examined over 32,000 images of sold homes, revealed the rooms painted in light shades of blue, like pale blue or pale gray, sold for an amount above the expected price, averaging over $5,000 more. But the magic of paint doesn't stop there. The same report discovered that specific colors can significantly raise the value of the probate house or home in a trust. By choosing to paint, you'll undeniably attract a vast number of potential property buyers. We recently helped with a home in Lemon Grove, and the house had an original hole that had been patched from an air conditioner, and the decedent had put in a mini split that was up higher, but the patch was never painted. And so I recommended to my client that we do our best to match the paint on the rest of the walls in the living room, and that's exactly what we did. I figured out the paint color, we hired a painter, and he took care of that. And also we decided to paint some areas in the kitchen that were looking a little worn, the same exact color. That made this home saleable. And the great news is we had a fantastic open house and received multiple offers for the seller to choose from. Another thing is, if the fresh paint is not within the budget, or the probate house has walls that are already in fairly good condition, fear not. A thorough wash can go a long way in reviving their desirable look, erasing fingerprints, marks, dings, and any other types of blemishes. Number 3 is to declutter and stage. You'll most likely be touching all of your loved one's personal property in the process of finding important paperwork and cherished mementos and items that will either be sold or donated. Clearing out unnecessary items, and in some cases arranging furniture strategically to showcase the potential of each space, is part of preparing to sell the probate house or home in a trust in California. And it's important that you know, when it comes to selling a probate house here in California, decluttering and light staging can be our secret weapons for a successful sale. Picture this: a clean, organized, and thoughtfully lighted staged home will instantly capture the hearts of potential buyers. Decluttering is the first step in creating that appealing atmosphere. By removing excess belongings and creating a sense of spaciousness, we allow buyers to envision themselves living in the space. Light staging takes it a step further, adding tasteful decor, and if there is still furniture in the home, most of the time there isn't, but if there is, furniture arrangements can highlight the home's best features. Small touches create an inviting atmosphere. Not only do decluttering and light staging improve the visual appeal of your probate house or home in a trust, but they also make a lasting impression on home buyers. So take the time to declutter, and our team will then add a touch of staging magic and watch as the property shines when listed for sale. It's the perfect recipe for a smooth and successful selling experience. Step 4 is to upgrade the lighting. You can replace outdated fixtures with modern, energy-efficient options to create a welcoming atmosphere. Minimally, we want to make certain that all the lighting have 60-watt bulbs to create a bright and inviting atmosphere. We recently helped Robert to have a great result while selling his mother's probate house. We recommended changing out the breakfast nook lighting and also the lights in the kitchen itself. We ordered all the new lighting, and all 3 pieces totaled less than $200, and installation totaled the expense to $400. It was money well spent. Step 5, refresh the kitchen. Simple updates like changing out cabinet hardware or adding new lighting can breathe new life into the probate house kitchen. It's true that a kitchen is the heart of every home, which is why many potential home buyers prioritize it over all the other rooms. If you update every other room to clean and appealing, then spruce up your kitchen with low-cost cosmetic upgrades, more potential buyers will be encouraged to buy your house, and the selling price will be higher. A complete renovation of the kitchen, well, it sounds like a good idea, but the flip side of such a project is that it's expensive and it doesn't guarantee reasonable returns on that expense. However, with just a few dollars, we can carry out the following upgrades and still get the best resale value. Again, paint. In a few areas, such as the walls or baseboards, tend to deliver relatively good results. If it makes financial sense, you may want to consider replacing old kitchen appliances such as the dishwasher, a microwave over the stove, and maybe even the stove. And this is one way to give the probate house kitchen a fresh look and make it look more functional. And of course, you want to have everything cleaned. Number 6, spruce up the bathrooms. Cleanliness is key, so ensure the bathroom is spotless. Consider replacing worn out fixtures or even adding new accessories. Simply changing out the vanity lighting and towel racks can make a huge difference. And of course, if needed, updating the paint again and replacing the vanity hardware again in the probate house or home in a trust can help buyers to overlook other maybe outdated features. A bit of soft staging by our team with clean towels, a new shower curtain, some cute soap dispenser, and an artificial plant can create an inviting room. And step 7, renew or replace flooring. When it comes to preparing your probate house or home in a trust for sale in California, don't underestimate the impact of replacing carpeting and or flooring. First impressions, they matter, and as soon as potential buyers step inside the home, their eyes are likely to be drawn to the floor. If the flooring looks worn or damaged, it could be a major turnoff. The good news is that there are affordable solutions available. Flooring stores and home centers offer water-based products specifically designed to renew different types of flooring. With some work, the floors can be made to look much better and in some cases look brand new. Additionally, pay attention to the condition of the carpeting. An old or stained carpet can be a significant drawback, especially for buyers with pets. Consider hiring a professional cleaner to tackle any stubborn stains, but if that doesn't do the trick, it might be worth investing in fresh new carpet and pad. By giving attention to your flooring, you're ensuring that your probate house presents itself in the best possible light, capturing the attention and interest of potential buyers. And finally, we recommend that all of our probate homes or homes in a trust be thoroughly cleaned, including the windows. And yes, we do have people to take care of this so that you don't have to, and you don't have to worry that it's done well. Our purpose is to help you prepare, market, and successfully sell the probate house or house in a trust, and that's exactly what we do every single day. When we implement these relatively low-cost house repairs, home improvements, and the soft staging, we can increase the buyer appeal of the probate house or house in a trust. We'll expedite the sale process and potentially achieve the desired price and definitely improve the time on market. Thanks for watching. Tell YouTube that you like this content so others like you will be able to see it by hitting that like button, subscribing, and commenting.